Greetings there, repairers of Land Rovers and many other things, I'm sure. Today's repair is very small and probably a little bit anal, but I'm just going to do it. So I know it's probably small and anal, but on my car this has been a bit damaged. I have tried to stick it down with some super glue, but I don't really like it. And I found that you can actually replace this panel. Pretty cool. So let's see how easy it is to pop this off, and then we can put another one on and get rid of this nasty bit here. The only other thing I'd say and criticise about the actual quality of these cars as well is that this is very sort of scratchy plastic. So on both sides it's a bit sort of scratched and scuffed. I'll probably try and improve it at some point, but it's a bit of a shame that they didn't use something a little bit less scratchy on such a premium vehicle. But there you go, I suppose, out of sight, out of mind slightly, because it's low down. But it's a little bit naughty, Land Rover, for putting such cheap stuff on what is supposedly a premium vehicle. So that's the new one that can go on top, and it basically is very simply just clipped on with some nice clippy clips. So it doesn't look like they're particularly tough ones. So we'll see whether we can just prise this off with some plastic prise tools you can get online, and hopefully this one will go back and it doesn't have any nasty marks on it. Excellent stuff. So you can feel under here, you can get to it quite easily. So I'm just gonna see, yeah. So once you kind of got a little bit up, I guess we're gonna just work along as normal. How long is the panel? There you go. It's not too bad, is it? Trying to be careful and not damage anything else. Oh, there we have it. So there you go, one of them taken off. So the reason this comes off is not just accidental. There is some access behind here. So obviously, if you're taking off the door panel, which I will need to do on the driver's side at some point, you'll need to take off this panel, because there are two Torx screws in there that would need to come out. But that's not the job for today. So let's get our new nice replacement panel. There's one little plastic clip there, and I can see this extends up a little bit, so we've just got to be a little bit aware of these 2 points, that they're put in the right position. But I reckon, wow, that's like the quickest repair I think I've ever done. So that's how to replace one of these door trim panels on a Range Rover Sport L494. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.